Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix if voicemail notification won't go away on Realme Narzo power. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and restart device from here. After restart device, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management and scroll down and search phone app from here. Click on phone app and click on storage usage. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings and click on system and update. Click on backup and reset and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix if voicemail notification won't go away on Realme Narzo power. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.